Let's explore a game-changing niche that's taking the digital world by storm: AI-powered stage performance videos. These breathtaking visuals are redefining how audiences experience content, creating a level of engagement unlike anything we've seen before. Consider this YouTube channel reached an impressive milestone of 355,000 subscribers with 169 videos in just 3 months. This rapid success highlights the immense appeal of AI-generated performances and shows how even straightforward ideas can capture global attention. Why is this niche so exciting? For starters, it's a creative goldmine, still in its early stages and brimming with untapped potential. This makes it a fantastic opportunity for creators looking to stand out and grow a following. Imagine sharing your own AI-powered videos on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Not only can you build a passionate audience, but you might also see your creations go viral. And the rewards don't stop at views and likes. This niche offers diverse monetization options, from ad revenue and creator funds to brand collaborations and exclusive merchandise sales. But let's not just focus on profits. This niche is a playground for pure imagination. Whether you want to craft visually stunning stories or mesmerizing artistic displays, AI tools enable you to bring your vision to life with ease. The potential to produce high-quality, awe-inspiring content is within reach for anyone willing to explore these cutting-edge tools. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step, showing you exactly how to dive into this fascinating niche. From crafting the perfect visuals to sharing your final creations, you'll learn all the essential techniques to create show-stopping, AI-driven stage performance videos. By the end of this journey, you'll be equipped with the skills to impress audiences and bring your most ambitious ideas to life. Step 1. Getting started with image prompts. To create an AI-powered video, start with carefully crafted prompts for generating scenes. These prompts serve as the backbone of your project, helping AI tools visualize your ideas. For this tutorial, we'll include prompts for the following: the initial stage performance scene, a transition scene that adds depth and drama, hybrid visuals, e.g., blending human and animal forms, audience reactions that enhance the energy of your video. An example of an initial scene prompt might include a dancer moving elegantly alongside a majestic lion under dramatic stage lighting. A hybrid scene prompt could evolve this into a fusion character, part dancer, part lioness, standing in a striking pose. These prompts set the stage for what comes next: generating visuals. Step 2. Using Kling AI to generate stunning images. To bring your ideas to life, in this video, we'll use Kling AI, a powerful text-to-image generator. Or you can use Leonardo AI to create stunning images. Set up your workspace. Open your browser and navigate to the Kling AI platform. Use the Flux model for optimal detail. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Generate images. Begin by inputting prompts for your initial scene. Hit Generate, and let the AI produce vivid visuals in seconds. Repeat this for secondary scenes, hybrid characters, and audience moments. Refine results. Take time to select the best outputs. If the generated images don't fully match your vision, adjust the prompts and regenerate until they feel perfect. Through this process, you'll build a gallery of high-quality images ready for video production. Step 3. Creating dynamic animations with Kling AI. Static images are only the beginning. To add movement and fusion effects, we'll use Kling AI, an advanced tool for generating dynamic videos. Import images. Upload each scene's image to Kling AI. Set prompts for motion. Use action-based prompts to animate the characters and enhance realism. For hybrid forms, input motion prompts that highlight transformation, like a dancer morphing into a lioness mid-performance. Fusing scenes. Select a starting frame, e.g., a dancer twirling, and an ending frame, e.g., her fully transformed hybrid form, to create seamless transitions. Be patient, as rendering video animations can take time. The payoff is worth the wait, a cohesive visual flow that's truly mesmerizing. Step 4, editing and enhancing your video. With animations ready, it's time to compile everything into a polished video using an editor like CapCut. Import footage. Upload all animated clips, audience visuals, and transition shots. Arrange clips. Place each video clip on the timeline in logical order, starting with the performance, followed by dramatic transformations, and culminating in audience reactions. Add effects and transitions. Use fade-ins, crossfades, and custom transitions to ensure seamless visual flow. Enhance with sound. Sound design is crucial. Add applause and cheer effects, available on royalty-free platforms like Pixabay, to enhance audience engagement. For background music, use tracks from the YouTube audio library or trending songs on TikTok and Instagram to boost visibility. CapCut also allows you to adjust pacing, trim excess footage, and add filters to unify your project's aesthetic. Once complete, review your work and export the final masterpiece. Step 5. Sharing your AI stage performance. Now that your video is ready, share it across social platforms. YouTube. Optimize titles, tags, and descriptions to maximize discoverability. Consider adding subtitles or voiceovers for additional engagement. TikTok, Instagram Reels. Post shorter, eye-catching clips to intrigue viewers and encourage them to explore your full video. Engage your audience. Interact with comments, host Q&A sessions, and use hashtags strategically to amplify reach. The final product. Once your video is live, it's time to sit back and let the results roll in. Expect reactions to your work, from amazement to inspiration, and use audience feedback to refine future projects. By leveraging these AI tools and techniques, you'll unlock endless possibilities to push creative boundaries and captivate audiences like never before. If you enjoyed this tutorial, stay tuned for upcoming content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps us continue delivering high-quality tutorials like this one. Let us know in the comments what stage performance concepts you'd like to try, and feel free to tag us in your videos. Your journey into AI-powered creativity is something we're excited to follow. See you in the next tutorial.